Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in the mail today I got the Shemodern package. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so excited. I really am. It's so heavy. So I thought I would open it with you guys so we can all have a look together. So, ooh, I love her stickers. How pretty are they? Really pretty. Now you know that I've been using Shemodern for I don't even know how long, when she was doing the foil decals. Oh, there's lots of stuff in here. We have this paper stuff, which is always handy. I always like to keep that. I know it's terrible, isn't it? So we have lots of different stuff in here. So oh, now we have some more scrapers. I like these because these you can also use these as your palettes, your scrapers, so you know, like for your stamping and that, but you can also like use these when you're testing out the colors as well. And I like that there's like several different ones, because I have got a black one but it needs to clean, so I won't show you. This is the black one. It's very messy. I've been doing so many different designs. So I like that you get them in an array of colours, and they're really good thickness. These are really nice. These are the perfect thickness for your stamping. They really are, because they're sturdy but they've still got that bend in it. And I really like them. They're really nice, and they're a good size as well. Really good size. So yeah, definitely recommend them. So what have we got here? Ooh, we have the clear sealer. So I think these are the updated version, so they stay sticky for longer. So if you have got the original version, they're absolutely fine. Just the only difference is this just stays sticky for longer. That's the only difference. So we have the clear sealer. Oh my, I don't know what to say. This, I've been wanting this. She keeps showing it and I'm like, I want it so bad. So this is a clear sticky stamping polish. I know what you're thinking. Clear stamping polish? Why? So because it dries sticky, you can apply your pigments and foils and all that kind of stuff with it. And with the clear, you can also do exactly the same. So you can have it just on, like, say like you wanted to do just a clear tip or something like that, but you wanted to add a stamp onto it, but you didn't want to add any more color around it. You could use this. So yeah, so I am really excited to try this. So I think there may be a video coming up with this. So that is the clear. I highly recommend that, and that is amazing with the foil. Absolutely amazing. So we have the sheer white. So the sheer white you would use for your backgrounds. So say like if you did say like you were doing a Valentine's design, you could stamp the hearts in this, and then you could stamp your opaque image over the top, but then because it's sticky, you can still add some other say like pearlescent shimmer stuff to it or something like that. You could add that to it with the stickiness, and it will still be like sheer, so it will look like it's further back, and then you would have your image on the top. I'll have to do a video to show you what I mean. So we have the sheer white, and we also have the sheer black. These are just the these are the updated version, the newer version. We also have pearl rose, which is absolutely stunning. Look at that. Wow, the shimmer, it's so pretty. Thank you so much, Tina. I don't know what to say. So we have the opaque black. I love these. Love them. So we have the pearl pink. Oh, that was the pearl rose. very pretty. They're similar, but you can definitely tell the difference. This one is darker, so you can definitely tell the difference between the two. So we have the rose and the pink. Oh, so excited. And then we have the opaque white sticky. We also have the pearl green. I did actually use the pearl green yesterday. No, that's pearl lime. Where is the pearl green? Hang on. Let me see. Yes, so that's the difference between the two. This one's just slightly darker. And as you can see by the labels. So yeah, oh, I'm so excited. Hang on, give me 1 second. Sorry about that. I had to cough. So hang on, let me move that light because that is really shiny. Yeah, I had to cough. I didn't want to cough. I didn't want to cough on camera and deafen everybody. So let's carry on. So we also have the pearl orange. Wow, look at that. Wow, these are, oh, they're so good. I might do a quick swatch. Should I do a quick swatch? I don't know. This is pearl coral. I don't know what to say. This is absolutely amazing. Tina, I can't believe it. And then we have the fuchsia pearl. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. Then we have the pearl yellow. Look at that. Oh wow, perfect for spring and Easter and summer. Oh, it's so pretty. Then we also have the pearl lime. Pearl lemon. Look at that. Give me 1 second. I had to cough again. So we also have the pearl lemon. And that is really, really pretty. Really pretty. I really like that. We also have sorry. We also have the pearl lime as well, which is really, really pretty. That's so pretty. Oh, we've got so many here. Oh, we also have the peacock. Pearl peacock. Look at that blue. Wow, it is absolutely, it's just stunning. Oh wow, and the stickers are so pretty. And then we also have the silver metallic. Wow, look at that. That is a really nice silver. Really, really nice silver. That is so pretty. Oh, wow. And we also have the metallic gold. Now look at that gold. That gold is so pretty. It reminds me of like liquid gold. You know, yeah, liquid gold. Oh, I have an idea in mind already. I'm terrible. I really am terrible. I have to start writing everything down soon. Sorry, give me 1 second. Sorry about that. I had to cough again. So yeah, I have a design in mind for this as well. So that's the gold metallic. Oh, we also have the rose gold. Look at that. Wow. I've got to open this one because I have to see it. I have to. Oh, wow. I have a thing for rose gold. I really do. Oh, wow. That is amazing. Wow. Oh, I was actually thinking about doing a rose gold design. I think I'll have to use that. I don't know where to put it. There's too many. Tina, you've sent me loads. And then we also have the pearl white. Oh, we also have the pearl white. I do love the stickers. The stickers are so pretty. She really pays like attention to detail and everything. I love it. I really, really do. So that is the pearl white. The pearl white's so pretty as well. And then we have the blue pearl. Wow. And this is obviously a lot lighter than the peacock. Oh, they're just so pretty. And then we have one more. And it has to be my favourite colour, which is last. Can anybody guess what colour it is? It is purple. And this is the pearl purple. Wow. Oh, I have to open this one too. I should have just opened all of them. Oh, that is my favourite shade of purple. I love all shades of purple, but this one, my favourite. I've got a quilt cover and pillowcase which is like this. Wow, look at that. Oh wow, that is amazing, absolutely amazing. I don't know what to say, Tina. It's just thank you so much. This is absolutely amazing. You have been so supportive over the years. It's amazing. I don't ever think thank you is enough. It's just absolutely amazing, and it's amazing how much you support all the other girls as well. And yeah, it's just amazing. So thank you so much. It really means the world to me. Thank you so much. So definitely head over and check out Shemodern on Instagram and their website as well, and also here on YouTube, because Tina does weekly hangouts twice a week on Tuesdays and Fridays. And it's where we all kind of interact, and it's where you can ask questions and you can ask her to demo something, and she shares tips and tricks and different ways you can use the product. So it's definitely worth checking out. They are also uploaded on to YouTube after the lives as well. So if you miss one, or you missed the beginning or whatever, you can always go back and rewatch. I tend to always go back and rewatch because I'm so like, oh, I have so much inspiration when I watch them. It's amazing. And Tina is just so lovely, and the girls are really nice as well. And yeah, we just kind of bounce ideas off each other and things like that. It's really nice. It's a really fun place to sort of get to know each other and, you know, ask questions or get some help if you're kind of struggling with something. So yeah, and I would highly recommend these sticky stamping polishes. They are amazing. If you're new at stamping, these will completely change the way that you stamp. You will not want to use any other stamping polishes. And I mean, I have been doing stamping for quite a few years now, and these are just amazing. I do actually have one image that I will try and pick up with these, because I've only ever had one successful pickup with other polishes, just because it's so fine. And it's not a very deeply etched image either. And I just, yeah, I'm going to try these on it. So yeah, I would definitely recommend these, whether you're new, whether you've been doing it for years. These really are changing the whole stamping game, completely changing the whole stamping game. So yes, I cannot rave about these enough. They are amazing. And she does do other products as well. So yes, so head over to the website. I do have a discount code which you can use on the main website. It's linked below. I will try and remember to put it on the screen, and I will have it at the end as well, and details of where you can find the Shemodern stuff. But I will link everything down below. Anyway, I'm just rambling. So yeah, so thank you so much, Tina. I'm so grateful, and yeah, I will start using these. So thank you everybody so much for watching today. Please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if there's anything in particular you would like to see, you know, swatch video. Just let me know if there's anything in particular you'd like to see. And yeah, hopefully I will see you in the next video. And yeah, until then, take care. Bye.